Climb inside the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and leather upholstery. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.